Here we are at Loeb. We're stalking people. See that guy right there? That's your mom. You're being followed. Be very afraid. That girl's kinda hot. No, maybe not. I can't tell from here. That guy is not hot. Because I don't like guys. Maybe you might. Tyler. See this guy right there too. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's somebody in their car. No, nobody's in there. Oh, this person's full right now. Okay, this guy. Person backing up. Let's watch this guy right here, okay? Look at such creepos. Oh. Oh. Hi, guy. What's up? Answer me, kid. Stupid kids don't want me. Sorry.
Face yourself.
Okay, I think people are watching us, so we're just gonna keep filming because we don't care. Cops, bye!